Hallmark signature paper wonder pop-up birthday cards, classic car, amazing ride, wish car, crazy friends or family a very happy day with an impressive card they're sure to appreciate. Blue cover features foil accents and lettering that reads, "It's your day." Inside features an elaborate surprise pop-up of a cool vintage car, and the message, "Hope it's one amazing ride." With an exciting design and sincere sentiment, this pop-up card is the perfect way to send your best to an extra special brother, sister, dad, or friend. CUTPOPUP, the classic car Father's Day pop-up cards, birthday pop-up cards, 3D pop-up greeting cards, handmade 3D pop-up birthday card. A warm gift card, sharing your love, make your lover, your friends, feel warm in this cold winter by sending them this beautiful 3D pop-up greeting card for casual expressions of love or concern, and even for special occasions like Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day. "3D pop-up card letter card with coordinating envelope for Valentine's Day, birthday, Christmas, New Year, engagement, anniversary, Mother's Day, Father's Day, thank you, bridal shower, car 3D pop-up greeting cards." Package includes one car 3D truck pop-up greeting card, one note card and one envelope. Exquisite and clever design, the greeting card is flat when closed, and the beautiful 3D pattern will slowly pop up as it is opening on hand.